Hey everybody, so this is the Stop Motion Studio app. It is on your iPad. You're going to open it up. You'll see the opening screen. Just hit Get Started. And then when that opens, you're going to create a new movie by hitting the add sign, the plus. Once you do that, make sure you say OK because it does have to use your camera. Then here's the app. I have my Apple Pencil sitting on the table. And do you see the big red button up there? That's what you're going to press to take a picture. So I'm going to take a picture of the Apple Pencil, but then I'm going to move it a little bit and then take another picture and move it again and take another picture. And pretty soon I'll have 5 pictures. You're going to have more. If you need to delete one, just hold it down and press the delete button. But when you play this thing, all your 5 pictures, it's going to look like it moves like that. You have to make sure your hand is not in the picture. And that's it. Have fun. Take lots of pictures, like 100.